All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I just want to give you guys a quick update. I am feeling a lot better. My voice kind of sounds sick right now, but I'm not really. I mean, I am, but I don't know where this sick voice is coming from. But anyways, I'm feeling a lot better today. I don't think I've had a headache all day. And my fever, I mean, my head's a little bit warm, but it's definitely not burning up or anything like that. But anyways, the test results came back yesterday, and I didn't make a video. So anyways, I did a live stream and revealed that. So a few of you know. But anyways, the test results came back from the COVID test, and they said they were negative, even though it seems like I had all the symptoms. So that's good. I'm thankful for that. Never lost my smell or taste, so that's one of the signs that I was banking on. But anyways, hopefully in the next few days I'll feel more back to 100%, and I'll be ready for work on Monday, hopefully. I think that was about to wrap it up. Pretty much ate all my spaghetti in the house. All my spaghetti sauce is gone. So pretty much all all that I have left to eat is burritos and bread. So kind of running out of the healthy food that I have besides my 900 packs of ramen in the pantry. So might be doing a live stream on that, making some burritos here, maybe even tonight. But just been keeping busy watching TV shows and all that good stuff. So that pretty much wraps up my short update. Thank you guys all for the comments and the well wishes and the prayers and all the good vibes. They seem to be working, and I'm very happy of this turnaround. It seems like I'm kind of going over the hill now, over the sickness, going down the hill. So I'm happy about that. So thank you all. I just want to give you guys a quick update, and that's where I'm at right now. Feeling a lot better. So thank you, and that should do it. As always, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like. See you guys back in the next video. Subscribe if you want. But mostly everyone's already here, and I'm not getting any new subscribers from this update video. But thank you guys for the support. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace out. One other thing, Mad Electrician texted me. He said some of his coworkers watch my videos, or even his foreman, and I thought that was really cool. And they were just wishing me that I would get better soon, and I just thought that was really cool because sometimes I truly forget how far my videos can reach, even if it's just like around the area or even like worldwide. It's just super cool to see how far your videos can reach and how many different people's lives that they can impact or touch or be a part of. So super cool and super thankful for that. So thank you for sharing that, my electrician. So appreciate that, and thank you all for the continued support and for the well wishes one more time. All of you. Thank you.